Sometimes you don't want alerts going only to your internal team. Sometimes you also need a way to share uptime information externally, with customers, stakeholders, or even just internally across departments. That's what public reporting is for in StatusCake. In this video, I'll show you how to create a simple public reporting page, what it indicates, and where it makes sense to use it. From the left-hand menu, go down to Reporting, click Public Reporting, New Public Report. At the top, you'll give your report a title. This is what will appear on the public page. So something like Company Uptime Report, Service Status Overview, or Monitoring Summary. Next is a CNAME domain field. This allows you to host a public report on your own domain, such as status.yourcompany.com. To do that, you'll need to add a DNS CNAME record. If you don't need a custom domain, you can skip this entirely. You also have the option to set a public password. So if you want the page to be accessible only to specific users, you can lock it down. There's also a time zone option, so the report displays times correctly for your audience. Further down, you'll see a few toggles: search indexing, StatusCake branding, annotations. For most users, leaving branding enabled is fine. If you're sharing this publicly, you'll usually want search indexing disabled, unless you specifically want it searchable. This is the important part. Under tests, you can decide what your report includes: individual tests or tests by groups and tags. You can also choose the sorting order, default or alphabetical. Select the uptime checks you wish to include, and those will be shown on the public report page. You can also add announcement messages like planned maintenance, instant updates, or general service notes. At the bottom, you can customize by styling logo, colors, or CSS. Most teams keep this simple. The goal is clarity, not design work. Once everything is configured, click Create Public Report. Your reporting page is immediately generated and ready to share. Public reporting is most useful when you want a lightweight way to show uptime externally without giving someone full access to your StatusCake dashboard. It's not designed to replace a dedicated status page platform, but it works well for simple visibility and reporting. Next up in this playlist, we'll look at email templates and how to customize the alert messages your team actually receives.